Well, hello friends. Today we're feeding our urban worm bag, but I just wanted to show you, look at what's going on in the yard. All the things. Our neighbor finally cut their tree here, which is awesome. Of course, I had trimmed the stuff that was overhanging in my yard a little bit, but this is great. We're doing all sorts of things here, so I'll be showing that to you soon. So make sure you're subscribed, but let's get into the worms. I'm trying this week's recording with just the handheld camera. Just because I think it's going to be a really quick feeding, because I know that it's been over 2 weeks. It's been about 2.5 weeks specifically. Ooh, it dropped down to about 80 in here. It is starting to cool off a little bit here in Florida. Okay, focusing. So last time, about 2 weeks ago, we fed them in about the 4 o'clock spot. And it was a really big feeding, so when we went to go check on them again, there was still food. So we were like, no, we're not going to feed them. And I'm feeding them regardless today, but there's still plenty of food. There's still some food here. Not a lot, but there is some food. But regardless, I want to keep feeding them because I think they can handle a little bit more right now. And I figured whatever was left in there was probably stuff that they weren't crazy about, so it's going to take a while. So we're moving counterclockwise, so we're going to go to the 3 o'clock position. And this week's feeding is this random to-go container that we froze. So let me open this sucker up, see what we put in here. Ah, yes, we got some bananas, some apples, some blueberries, and apparently some paper towels. Good job, past me. Okay, so we're going to cover that up, and there's no real worms over here, so we're just going to keep covering with the bedding that's in here, which is really great. Throw this on top, and that's all there is to it. So there's still a little bit of food over here, which is fine. I'm not crazy. I know that there's some stuff that they eat slower than others, so we'll just let them keep working on that. And yeah, that's this week's feeding. Super easy peasy. Now, it'll be curious because we're a little off schedule from our normal days that we feed, so I might not check on them again. Usually, I think I normally would have checked on them in about 4 days or so. There's no way they're going to have gone through that in 4 days. But maybe in a week or two. So, yeah, we're making progress. They're working on it. But we gotta keep feeding them. Alright, friends. Thanks for checking in.